Grade 12 Physics Electricity MCQ. Question 1 up to 10 is based on basic current electricity. Question number 1. What is the SI unit of electric current? A volt, B ampere, C ohm, D coulomb. The correct answer is B ampere. Question number 2. Electric current is defined as A charge multiplied by time, B charge divided by time, C voltage multiplied by resistance, D power divided by voltage. The correct answer is B charge divided by time. Question number 3. Ohm's law states A D is equals to IR, B I is equals to VR, C R is equals to VI, D V is equals to I over R. The correct answer is A V is equals to IR. Question number 4. Resistance depends upon A length, B area, C material, D all of the above. The correct answer is D all of the above. Question number 5. The unit of resistance is A volt, B ampere, C ohm, D watt. The correct answer is C ohm. Question number 6. Conductors have A high resistance, B low resistance, C no resistance, D infinite resistance. The correct answer is B low resistance. Question number 7. Insulators have A low resistance, B high resistance, C zero resistance, D negative resistance. The correct answer is B high resistance. Question number 8. Current in metals is due to the flow of A protons, B neutrons, C electrons, D ions. The correct answer is C electrons. Question number 9. Drift velocity is A random motion, B average velocity of electron, C maximum velocity, D zero velocity. The correct answer is B average velocity of electrons. Question number 10. Temperature increase in a conductor. A decreases resistance, B increases resistance, C no effect, D makes resistance zero. The correct answer is B increases resistance. Question number 11 up to 20 is based on circuits and resistance. Question number 11. Equivalent resistance in a series is A sum of all resistance, B product, C inverse sum, D zero. The correct answer is A sum of resistances. Question number 12. Equivalent resistance in parallel is A sum, B product, C reciprocal sum, D difference. The correct answer is C reciprocal sum. Question number 13. In series circuit, current is A different, B same, C zero, D infinite. The correct answer is B same. Question number 14. In a parallel circuit, voltage is A same, B different, C zero, D infinite. The correct answer is A same. Question number 15. A short circuit has A. High resistance, B. Low resistance, C. Infinite resistance, D. No current. The correct answer is B. Low resistance. Question number 16. A fuse works on A. Magnetic effect, B. Heating effect, C. Chemical effect, D. Optical effect. The correct answer is B. Heating effect. Question number 17. Power is given by A. Voltage multiplied by current, B. Current multiplied by resistance, C. Voltage divided by resistance, D. Resistance multiplied by current. The correct answer is A. Voltage multiplied by current. Question number 18. Unit of power is A. Joule, B. Watt, C. Volt, D. Ampere. The correct answer is B. Watt. Electrical energy unit is A. Watt, B. Joule, C. Kilowatt hour, D. Both B and C. The correct answer is D. Both B and C. Question number 20. 1 kilowatt hour equals A. 3.6 times 10 raised 6 joule, B. 1000 joule, C. 3600 joule, D. 10 raised 6 joule. The correct answer is A, which is 3.6 times 10 raised 6 joule. Question number 21 up to 30 is based on advanced concepts. Question number 21. EMF is A. Energy per charge, B. Charge per energy, C. Current, D. Power. The correct answer is A, which is energy per charge. Question number 22. Internal resistance is A. External resistance, B. Resistance inside the battery, C. Wire resistance, D. Load resistance. The correct answer is B, which is resistance inside the battery. Question number 23. Kirchhoff's first law is based on A. Energy conversion, B. Charge conversion, C. Power law, D. Ohm's law. The correct answer is B. Charge conversion. Question number 24. Kirchhoff's second law is based on A. Charge conversion, B. Energy conversion, C. Current law, D. Resistance law. The correct answer is B. Energy conversion. Question number 26. Electric field unit is A. N divided by C, B. Volt, C. Ampere, D. Ohm. The correct answer is A. N divided by C. Question number 27. Resistivity depends on A. Length, B. Area, C. Material, D. Shape. The correct answer is C. Material. Question number 28. Superconductors have A. High resistance, B. Zero resistance, C. Infinite resistance, D. Negative resistance. The correct answer is B. Zero resistance. Question number 29. Drift velocity is directly proportional to A. Electric field, B. Resistance, C. Temperature, D. Area. The correct answer is A. Electric field. Question number 30. Mobility is A. Drift velocity per electric field, B. Current per charge, C. Voltage per charge, D. Resistance per current. The correct answer is A. Drift velocity per electric field. Question number 31 up to 40 is based on a mixed application. Question number 31. Ammeter is connected in A. Parallel, B. Series, C. Both, D. None. The correct answer is B. Series. Question number 32. Voltmeter is connected in A. Series, B. Parallel, C. Both, D. None. The correct answer is B. Parallel. Question number 33. Ideal ammeter has A. High resistance, B. Low resistance, C. Zero resistance, D. Infinite resistance. The correct answer is C. Zero resistance. Question number 64. Ideal voltmeter has A. Zero resistance, B. Low resistance, C. Infinite resistance, D. Medium resistance. The correct answer is C. Infinite resistance. Question number 35. Electric power formula is A. Voltage multiplied by current, B. Current square times resistance, C. Voltage square divided by resistance, D. All. The correct answer is D. All. Question number 36. Heating effect depends on A. Current, B. Resistance, C. Time, D. All. The correct answer is D. All. Question number 37. Unit of resistivity is A. Ohm, B. Ohm meter, C. Volt, D. Ampere. The correct answer is B. Ohm meter. Question number 38. The unit of electric charge is A. Coulomb, B. Ampere, C. Volt, D. Watt. The correct answer is A. Coulomb. Question number 39. Electric current direction is A. Electron flow, B. Opposite to electron flow, C. Same as electron flow, D. Random. The correct answer is B. Opposite to electron flow. Question number 40. Ohmic conductor obeys A. Nonlinear graph, B. Linear voltage current graph, C. Exponential graph, D. No graph. The correct answer is B. Linear voltage versus current graph. How many did you get right? Comment your score. Do not forget to subscribe for more physics MCQs. Thanks for watching.